Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up LM Studio models which are running locally on your Windows operating system with Visual Studio Code as the coding agent. So I'm assuming you already have LM Studio installed on your Windows operating system. And if you don't know how to install LM Studio, I have already created a video about it. So you can watch that video and then install LM Studio. Now, once you have the LM Studio to load the local model, you just need to click on this select model to load, and whatever model you have already downloaded, you will see the list of all those models. I only have one model right now, which is Gemma 4. So I'm going to load this model. So I'm going to click on this model and you can see it's being loaded. So once this progress bar reaches to the end, this model will be loaded, and then you can click on the new chat here and you can start chatting with the model. But we are interested in integrating this Gemma model with our Visual Studio Code. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the developer section here, and you can see the status of the LM Studio is running, and this is the URL on which it's running. So it's running on localhost port 1234, and it also gives you the list of loaded models, and this is the model which has been loaded right now. So once this model has been loaded, you can just minimize this and let's move to the Visual Studio Code. Now in Visual Studio Code, we are going to go to the extensions section, and in the extensions section, we are going to search for an extension called Continue, and this is the extension we are looking for. So you can see Continue is the open source AI code agent. We can install this extension. So let's click on install and then trust and install, which is going to install this extension in Visual Studio Code. And once this extension is installed, you will be able to see this icon, which will be added to your sidebar, right? So let's click on this continue icon once the extension is installed. So here you can see as soon as you click on this continue button here, you will see this kind of interface. Here, to select the model, you can click on select model here and then click on add chat model. So at the top, you can see the list of providers like Anthropic, Azure, Google, and all the other top model providers. And you will also see the list of models. Here in this provider list, when you scroll down a little, you will also see the LM Studio as provider. You can see this is the LM Studio. So just select LM Studio here, and then it says install provider. We have already installed this LM Studio, so we don't need to install it again. But then you can also see the model is auto detect. So if you are already running any model locally using LM Studio, it's going to auto detect that model, right? So you can leave the model as auto detect here and then click on connect here, which is going to create this kind of config.yaml file. And where it creates this YAML file, this is the path. So in your home folder, it's going to create this .continue folder. And under .continue folder, there is this config.yaml file where the configuration related to the LM Studio model has been added. So LM Studio is already running on port 1234, and this is the API version, and the provider is LM Studio, and the model is AutoDetect. So once that's done and your model is already loaded here, then you will see in the list of model whatever models you have added in the LM Studio. In my case, it's Gemma 4. I can see that model in this model list now, right? So I'm going to select this model and then I can start using this in my Visual Studio Code. Now, if you want to move this continue section to the right hand side, similar to Copilot, then what you can do is you can click on this option which says toggle secondary sidebar here, which is going to open this kind of chat window, which is the Copilot window, right? Then you can drag and drop this continue icon on the side of chat, and you can see this continue section has been moved to the right hand side. Now let's see if we can create some kind of project using this local Gemma model, which is running on LM Studio, and it can create some kind of code in our demo folder. So in the prompt, I'm going to just write a C++ program, and I'm going to press enter. Because it's a local LLM which is running locally on my system, I don't want to give any heavy prompt so that it affects my system also. Let's see how it reacts with this simple prompt, which is write a C++ program. Now, once you write your prompt here, you can go to LM Studio, and there you will be able to see how this prompt has been processed, right? So in the developer section here in LM Studio, you will see under your model how this model processes your prompt. So it says processing prompt here, and you will see all the events which are happening in the debug logs here. So this local model, which is Gamma 4, is working fine with this continue extension. So this is how you can add the LM Studio local models in your Visual Studio Code using this continue extension. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.